John McCagg with JesusChristTrust.net. I want to thank you, everyone who is supporting this church. And I'm just preparing, getting the website together with all the information so that people have it. And this information has not been available for a while due to the fact they would have shut our school down, libertyAidAcademy.org, if this information was up there. So we had to start a church and get this information over here. So all those old videos that I made over those many years, finding out the truth and the process of finding out the truth, those videos are in this classic video collection. So not all of them, okay? Not all of them, because they did take, some down and all that. But a lot of them are here, okay? Almost all of them, all right? That aren't, we just cannot leave them up and open to the public. And they would shut down, wherever they are. So we got to keep them hidden. And, if you could help support the church and make this donation, then it also is a way to, block out, the other people that would want to shut these videos down and take them off YouTube. This small fee makes it so they can't get in there and shut down this, information. Now, I'm not saying 100% of what I said in these old videos is accurate, but, I'm up to date now. And this was the real process in real time of me finding out the truth and what I did and so on. Any videos of police that were taken down, any video of hospitals I went into and went near and all that, during the plague, those got taken down, a lot of stuff got taken off of YouTube, some hard-hitting stuff, but there's still a lot left. And so I wanted to get this information out there to people, because I think it's, there's no one real out there in social media showing, how they learn the truth and the actual reality in real time with, I would post my unredacted information, all of it, wins in court, unredacted non-disclosure agreements, unredacted driver's license, unredacted passport, all proof of who I am, what I did, and all that stuff, unredacted. I didn't take out anything. You know what I mean? I didn't, I'm not going to show this because of blah, blah, blah. No. Everything real, everything, I show everything. All the proof as I went, all of it. I didn't redact anything. I didn't leave anything out. So if the truth really raw and, at the time, unredacted, none of it's chopped up. It's just videos, real videos. If that interests you and you want to help support the church, I really appreciate it. Some people have, donated to the information that I have on the church, and I really appreciated to get that information. And there are also other people that have donated in addition to that, just to keep the church going. And I can't thank you enough. I mean, I pray for you people every day, because as I've done in the past, I'm going to keep moving this information forward. They're not going to stop me, and you supporting this work means it's going to happen. So I want to thank you. Everyone who makes a donation to support this work, thank you very much, and God bless you, each and every one that does.